What's up everybody, happy Monday and thanks so much for tuning in for another episode of Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. Today I want to highlight one of my favorite products, and that is EcoSmart RU. The reason why I love this product so much is because one, it's so versatile and it's also so easy to use. Now this Hyundai Sonata has water spots, it has pollen, it has bee poop, it has dirt, and we're going to show you how to remove it using one simple product. All you have to do is shake up the bottle and you see that little bit of wax on the bottom. We're going to mix that all together and spray it directly onto the surface. And this is something that you can do on the go. You can keep a bottle of this in your car. You can see we're in the parking lot of the detail garage today. It's a little noisy, but this is the best way to remove anything that's on the surface without scratching it, but also adding a little bit of protection, a little bit of shine. It's going to help enhance the look and the longevity of your paintwork. You see here, it wipes up nice and easily. And what it's doing is it's encapsulating any abrasive particles of dirt. It's also refining any kind of waxes you have on the surface, adding a little bit longevity to your coatings. And you can see here it just reveals that natural shine. Now obviously you can use this on anything that's painted, you can use it on clear surfaces, you can use it on your wheels, but you can also use it on your engine bay, which makes this one of the most versatile products because you can clean virtually any exterior surface to remove dust, fingerprints, bird droppings, bee poop, pollen, anything else that's on the surface of your vehicle. Now if you guys want to check out this product, head over to our website, chemicalguys.com. You guys love your vehicle, that's why you're here on this channel, so be sure to like and subscribe to this. Be sure to comment down below for future videos, and as always, we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.